Which of the following is the largest organ in the human body? Your options are heart, liver, brain, and skin. And the correct answer is skin. The skin is the body's largest organ, serving various functions that includes protection, temperature regulations, and sensations, etc. The second question: what is the primary function of red blood cells, WBCs, which are also known as erythrocytes? Your options are immune defense, oxygen transport, hormone production, or digestion. The right answer of this question is B, and that is oxygen transport. Red blood cells are responsible for transporting oxygen from the lungs to body's tissues and organs. The third question: which of the following hormones is produced by the thyroid gland and regulates metabolism? Your options are insulin, estrogen, thyroxine, T4, or adrenaline. The correct answer is thyroxine. Thyroxine produced by the thyroid gland plays a central role in regulating metabolism. Question number 4. What is the primary function of the alveoli in the lungs? Your options are oxygen exchange, filtration of air, voice production, or food digestion. The right answer is A, and that is oxygen exchange. Alveoli are responsible for exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide during respiration. Question number 5. Which of the following is not a primary tissue type in the human body? Your options are epithelial, connective, muscular, or neuronal. The correct answer is neuronal. Neuronal is a tissue that is a kind of subtype connective tissue. The primary tissue types are epithelial, connective, muscular, and nervous. So the neuronal is a tissue which is a subtype of connectivity tissue. The question number 6. What part of the brain is responsible for regulating basic bodily functions like breathing and heart rate? Your options are cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla oblongata, hypothalamus. And the correct answer is medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata located in the brainstem that regulates essential functions such as breathing and heart rate. Let's move on to the question number 7. Friends, if this video is helping you, then please comment and share your views. Your comment, your subscriptions help me to understand that I'm doing good content. Let's continue. What is the main function of the urinary system? Your options are blood circulation, digestion, exudation of waste product, or sensory perception. The right answer is C, and that is exudation of waste products. The urinary system primarily exudates waste products from the bloodstream as urine. Question number 8. Which hormone is responsible for regulating blood sugar levels in the human body? Options are insulin, estrogen, testosterone, or thyroxine. And the correct answer is insulin. Insulin produced by the pancreas that regulates blood sugar level by promoting glucose uptake into the cells. Question number 9. What part of the digestive system is responsible for absorbing the most nutrients from the food? Your options are stomach, small intestine, large intestine, or esophagus. The correct answer B, and that is small intestine. The small intestine is where the majority of the nutrient absorption takes place in the digestive system. Now question number 10. What is the primary function of the lymphatic system? Options are transport of oxygen, immune defense, digestion of food, regulation of body temperature. The correct answer B, and that is immune defense. The lymphatic system is primarily responsible for immune defense, including white blood cell production and pathogen removal. Question number 11. Which gland is often referred as the master gland because it controls many other endocrine glands in the body? So which is that gland? Your options are thyroid gland, adrenal gland, pituitary gland, or pancreas. And the right answer is pituitary gland. Pituitary gland in the brain controls several other endocrine glands, earning in the nickname that is called master gland. Question number 12. What is the primary function of the spleen in the human body? Your options are blood filtration, digestion, hormone production, or muscle contraction. The correct answer is blood filtration. The spleen functions as blood filtration organ that removes damaged blood cells and pathogens. Question number 13. Which part of the human eye is responsible for bending and focusing light onto the retina? Options are cornea, lens, retina, or sclera. The right answer is lens. The lens of the eye bends and focuses light onto the retina that enables clear vision. Question number 14. What is the primary function of the skeletal system? Options are blood circulation, movement, digestion, or vision. The right answer is movement. The skeletal system provides support and enables body to have movements. Question number 15. What is the main function of the respiratory system? Your options are blood filtration, food digestion, gas exchange, or muscle coordination. The correct answer is gas exchange. The primary function of the respiratory system is to facilitate the gas exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Question number 16. Which type of muscle is under voluntary control? Options are cardiac muscle, smooth muscle, skeletal muscle, involuntary muscle. And the right answer is skeletal muscle. Skeletal muscles are under voluntary control while cardiac and smooth muscles are involuntary. Question number 17. What is the function of white blood cells, leukocytes, in the human body? Options are oxygen transport, immune defense, digestion of the food, or blood clotting. The right answer is immune defense. White blood cells are primarily responsible for immune defense and fighting infections. Question number 18. Which of the following is not a component of the circulatory system? Your options are heart, blood vessels, lungs, or blood. The correct answer is lungs. The circulatory system includes the heart, blood vessels and the blood, but the lungs are part of the respiratory system. Right? Now let's move on to the question number 19. What is the function of the pancreas in the human body? Your options are regulation of the blood sugar, oxygen transport, immune defense, or muscles contraction. The right answer is regulation of blood sugar. The pancreas regulates blood sugar levels by producing insulin and glucagon. Question number 20. What is the primary function of the adrenal glands? Options are regulation of metabolism, blood filtration, fight or flight response, or temperature regulations. The correct answer is fight or flight response. The adrenal glands produce hormones involved in the body's response to the stress, the fight or flight response. Right? Question number 21st. Friends, if this video is helping you, then please comment and share your views. Your comment, your subscriptions help me to understand that I'm doing good content. Let's continue. Which of the following organ is not a part of the digestive system? Your options are liver, lungs, stomach, or small intestine. The right answer is lungs. Lungs are part of the respiratory system, not the digestive system. Question number 22nd. What is the primary function of the esophagus in the human body? Your options are digestion of food, transport of air, transport of food from the mouth to the stomach, or immune defense. The right answer is transport of food from the mouth to the stomach. Friends, the esophagus' main function is to transport food from the mouth to the stomach. Question number 23rd. Which of the following is a hormone that is responsible for the regulation of sleep-wake cycles? Options are insulin, melatonin, thyroxine, or estrogen. The right answer is melatonin. The melatonin is a hormone that regulates sleep-wake cycles and is produced by the pineal gland. Question number 24. What is the primary function of the gallbladder? Options are digestion of carbohydrates, storage of the bile, blood filtration, or immune defense. The right answer? Storage of bile. The gallbladder stores bile produced by the liver, which is released to aid in the digestion of fats. Question number 25th. Which of the following is a part of the central nervous system, CNS? Options are spinal cord, peripheral nerves, somatic nervous system, or autonomic nervous system. The right answer is spinal cord. Spinal cord is the part of central nervous system that includes brain and the spinal cord.